truth.
Yes.
Individual truth, global truth, and a universal truth.
Yes.
Laba abakhonile kwambulelwa lawo maqiniso mathathu. Impilo yami yakho uqhubekela phambili.
Yeah.
Because once you know the individual truth, wazi iqiniso ngawe. Akusilula ukuthi abantu bakumanipulate and once you know the global truth, wazi iqiniso about ukwenzakalani globally.
Yeah.
That's what we call a universal truth. Was the relationship that you have with this universe.
Yeah.
Because you can only live phakathi kwento oyiyo.
Yeah.
Into ngasiyo ukukhona uphila phakathi kwayo.
Yeah.
Now there's a universal truth. Ekumele ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sihleli phansi bese siyalibheka ukuthi universally what is the truth.
Yeah.
And there's a global truth for us to understand the geopolitics, for us to understand what is happening around us.
Yeah.
Now, it's easy for people to manipulate you and use you if you don't know first about your individual truth, who you are.
Yeah.
And it's easy for people to manipulate you if you don't know about the global truth. Now, there's global truth. Something is happening around South Africa. We need people who understand the global truth about the situation and the situations that we are going through. Amen.
Amen.
Allow me to read from the book of